Everything we've grown up watching, from cartoons to films to comics to television, showed us that consent कुछ नहीं है.
बचाओ क्यों?
We shall flee to Capri.
ऑल्सो सेक्स एजुकेशन नाम की चीज हमारे स्कूल्स में नहीं है, और अगर कई स्कूल्स में है तो सिर्फ नाम के लिए है. ऑल्सो सो मेनी वुमेन हैव हैड सेक्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बाय सेइंग दीज वर्ड्स. नो, नहीं, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई डोंट थिंक आई वांट टू डू दिस, as the guy pushes him. Well, that's sexual coercion, which is an unwanted sexual activity that happens when you are pressured, tricked, threatened or forced in a non-physical way. और ये सब important conversations usually होती नहीं है. Many people think that the concept of consent lies only outside of relationships. No, ये conversation उतनी ही important है when you're casually dating, in a serious relationship or even when you're married. Saying no in bed is not wrong, but many women do feel guilty while saying it. Maybe because their partner guilt trips them. Also, often when a woman does say no, the partner disregards it because they feel that okay, maybe she is being way too shy. And ये उनकी responsibility है कि ये process आगे बढ़े. He may not mean any intentional harm. Maybe their thinking is just this way because that's what they've always seen around. Males have been taught that they are supposed to take decisions for all the females. Let me list out some situations that do not imply that you have to have sex. Number 1, just because you've done it before, either with the same partner or with someone else. You are not obliged to do it with every guy that you see, unless of course you want to. It is totally up to you and to the other person, of course, because their consent matters as much. Second is that don't do it just because you want to please the other person or resolve an argument. कि चलो कर लेते हैं, इसके नाटक तो खत्म हो गए. Don't give in. Do it if you really want to. Number 3, on the first night of marriage, you know, a lot of people want their first times to be after the wedding. But does that mean you have to do it on the Suhag Raat itself? No, you must take as much time as you need. Fourth is when your partner has traveled from far to meet you, or they've paid for your dinner or drinks. You don't owe anyone sex. Number 5, don't do it just because your partner has given you an ultimatum that they will break up with you if you don't do it. Ask yourself, do you really want to be in this relationship? Number 6, if you went on a trip and booked a place specially to do this, but once you reached there, you changed your mind. Well, you have every right to change your mind. Remember that. But when should you give consent? Let's find out. First is that you are sure that you want to do it. How can you be comfortable for giving in consent for a sexual relationship when you yourself are not sure about it? And feelings can be confusing. So what should you do if you are confused? It would be a lot less confusing and frustrating for your partner if you just take your time and think about it. Think about it when you're not with your partner and discuss however you feel with them or with your friends. So basically, if you're confused, it's better to say no than a half-heartedly said yes or maybe. Second is that when you're feeling comfortable with that person. Discomfort mixed with nervousness and shyness has often been seen as something जो sexual relationship में तो inevitable है. Bollywood movies, for example, have normalized discomfort as a sort of foreplay on the wedding night. But understand that comfort and compatibility is an unavoidable requirement to have consensual sexual relationship. Third is that when there is no pressure. Often to sustain a relationship, women agree to sexual relationships for which they just aren't ready. So think before giving your consent for sexual intimacy. Does it involve any external pressure? If yes, then identify and try to sort it out with your partner. Because as a free human, you should never be pressurized to do something which you don't want to do. And if any relationship builds that sort of pressure on you, then maybe it's time to rethink.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.